Good afternoon. I am Pritam Sarkar from Jadavpur Vidyapith Auto Tinkering Lab, and here we have our project, a project of a Bluetooth enabled car that will be controlled from our mobile, and that application is completely made by us, and we created that application. So in this thing we have two wheels, two BO motors, and in front of that we have a caster wheel, and on the top of that we have a shouldered Vero board, and on that we have Arduino and two 1.5 volts that is equal to 3 volt and a 9 volt, that is totally 12 volt battery supply, power supply. Inside we have L293D motor driver, and we have Bluetooth module 8C05 for Bluetooth connection with mobile or any Bluetooth enabled device. When I supply power to this module, this total module, the power LED inside that Arduino blinks, that we can see from the bottom of this Arduino, and the 8C05 is requesting for pairing. And there we have our application Auto JV Bluetooth enabled card. When I click on connect and pair with 8C05, the blink stops and it's paired. So we can see it's completely paired, and simultaneously up, down, left, right and stop button we can control this board. Like here we have our board. Pressing the up button we can see it's moving forward and stop, backward, stop, right, left, front, stop, backward, stop. And in this way we can control this bot, this robot that is completely controlled by mobile Bluetooth, and this is very much reliable and this is very much handy. You can see, like, it's not like just scrabbling all these things apart. So this is very handful and it's still running very properly. Thank you.